What if I told you there's a place in our solar system that could kill you in minutes without even touching you? That place is Jupiter. Now imagine this. You're drifting through deep space, slowly approaching this giant. From a distance, it looks almost peaceful. Smooth bands of orange and cream wrapping around it, a massive red storm turning silently. It feels calm, almost beautiful. But the closer you get, something changes. Your radiation alarms suddenly spike, loud, relentless. Your instruments begin to fail, one by one. Signals distort, systems glitch. And then you realize you're not approaching a planet. You're approaching a monster. Jupiter isn't some gentle giant. It's one of the most dangerous objects in our entire solar system. And by the end of this video, you'll understand why even our most advanced machines struggle to survive near it. Let's start with something simple. What is Jupiter really? Because most people don't truly understand its scale. Jupiter isn't just big, it's beyond comprehension. You could fit over 1,300 Earths inside it and still have space left. Its mass is more than double that of all the other planets combined. Everything, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, put them all together, Jupiter still dominates. But here's where it gets even more unsettling. Jupiter is almost a failed star. If it had been just a bit more massive during its formation, nuclear fusion could have started in its core. Instead of a planet, we would have had a second sun. Think about that. A binary star system. Earth might not even exist. But instead, we got something far stranger. A giant ball of gas with no solid surface, crushing pressure, and extreme forces that shape everything around it. Now zoom in closer. What you're seeing isn't normal weather. It's chaos, on a scale we can barely imagine. The Great Red Spot, that massive storm you always see in pictures, has been raging for hundreds of years, maybe longer. And it's so large, it could swallow Earth whole, with room to spare. Winds there can reach over 400 kilometers per hour, and that's considered normal on Jupiter. Deeper inside, it gets worse. Jet streams rip across the planet at incredible speeds. These aren't breezes, they're violent rivers of gas, moving faster than anything we experience on Earth. And here's the terrifying part. There's no surface, no ground, nowhere to land. As you go deeper, the atmosphere just gets thicker, heavier, more intense. The pressure keeps rising, higher and higher and higher, until eventually, something unbelievable happens. Hydrogen, the same element found everywhere, transforms into liquid metal. Yes, liquid metallic hydrogen. It sounds like science fiction, but it's real. And it creates one of Jupiter's most dangerous features, its magnetic field. Now, Earth has a magnetic field too. It protects us from harmful radiation. It helps life exist. But Jupiter's magnetic field? It's on a completely different level. It's tens of thousands of times stronger than Earth's. If you could somehow see it, it would look enormous in the sky, stretching millions of kilometers into space. But this field doesn't protect, it destroys. Jupiter traps charged particles from space and accelerates them to extreme speeds. These particles form intense radiation belts around the planet. Deadly. An unprotected human wouldn't survive there for long. Not hours, minutes. Even our spacecraft struggle. When scientists sent missions to study Jupiter, they had to build special shielding just to keep electronics alive. And even then, those spacecraft can only stay close for a short time before the radiation starts damaging them. This isn't a place meant to be explored easily. And we haven't even talked about its gravity yet. Jupiter's gravity is massive, so powerful it actually shaped the entire solar system. In the early days, Jupiter likely moved from its original position. As it shifted, it scattered debris, destroyed forming planets, and changed the paths of everything around it. That's one reason Mars is so small today. Jupiter's influence may have prevented it from growing larger. Even the asteroid belt, it exists because Jupiter didn't allow a planet to form there. It disrupted everything. And even today, Jupiter continues to act like a cosmic vacuum. It pulls in comets, asteroids, wandering objects. Sometimes it absorbs them. Sometimes it throws them out of the solar system entirely. And sometimes it sends them towards the inner planets, including Earth. So while some scientists say Jupiter protects us, others believe it also increases the danger. The truth is, it does both. Now, you might think at least its moons are safe, but that's not true either. Take Io, for example. It's the most volcanically active world we know. Why? Because Jupiter's gravity constantly stretches and squeezes it, like kneading dough. This creates intense heat inside, causing non-stop volcanic eruptions. Then there's Europa, a moon with a hidden ocean beneath its icy surface. One of the best places to search for life, but it orbits within Jupiter's radiation field. The surface there is extremely dangerous. Any mission would have to drill deep beneath the ice just to avoid the radiation. Even Ganymede, the largest moon in the solar system, struggles against Jupiter's influence. These moons aren't peaceful worlds. They're trapped in a dangerous environment, constantly affected by a giant they can't escape. Now, step back for a second and look at the full picture. Jupiter isn't dangerous in just one way. It's dangerous in every way. Its pressure crushes, its radiation destroys, its gravity controls, its storms rage endlessly. There is no safe place near Jupiter, no easy way to explore it. Every mission we send operates under extreme risk. And yet, we keep going back. Why? Because everything that makes Jupiter terrifying also makes it incredibly valuable to study. It helps us understand how planets form, how magnetic fields work, how extreme environments behave, and maybe, just maybe, how life could exist in the harshest places. Even after years of research, Jupiter still holds mysteries. Its interior, its storms, its deep structure. We're still learning, but one thing is certain. Jupiter is not a place for humans. We will never walk on it. We will never build cities there. It's a boundary, a reminder that the universe is not designed for us. Jupiter has existed for billions of years, long before life on Earth, and it will continue long after us, unchanging in one way: violent, powerful, unforgiving. So the next time you look up at the night sky and see that bright dot shining quietly, remember, you're not looking at something calm. You're looking at a storm that never ends, a force that shapes worlds, a giant that decides what survives and what doesn't. Jupiter isn't the king of planets because it's kind. It's the king because nothing else could challenge it. And that is what makes it truly terrifying.